I've been through the park for years, grew up here, and I'm always on the wall. And so you really see a lot of the city that way.
I've come here year after year since I've been a child, and it still has the same feel to it. It's a timeline of all of the years through this place.
I cannot imagine Vancouver without Stanley Park. Stanley Park is Vancouver.
There's probably 6 trees down right now. We're losing stuff now. I want you to turn around and leave, please. I've got everything close.
I'm just devastated. I'm sorry to see what's happened to absolutely my favorite place in the world.
Good evening. They're now having to reassess the damage to Stanley Park with more trees knocked down by this past weekend's windstorm.
This is by far and away the worst in the park itself, although there are probably another 5 or 6 areas which appear to have succumbed to something akin to microbursts, where there's been either a shear or a very, very strong downdraft, and it's taken out whole areas and yet missed things for up to a quarter of a mile after that. The restoration plan focuses on 3 major disciplines. One is forestry, the other is geotechnical engineering, and the third is ecology. We're looking at systems. We're not just looking at trees. Although we are trying to bring back a natural North Pacific coastal forest, this is a coastal forest in an urban park. Stanley Park has played host to millions of people over the last century. They carry with them happy memories, they carry with them a strength of heritage and an expectation that Stanley Park will be available for their children just as it was for them. And it's our commitment to deliver the damaged areas of this park back to the community in a state that they will truly enjoy.